In this video, I'll show you how to create a new blog post. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Post. Click Add a New. This is my blog post. To format your blog post, see these options here. For example, highlight this text and then click bold. Click on this tool, Kitchen Sink. To change the color of some text, just highlight it and choose any color. To change the font size, just highlight it. Click on this tool. Choose font size. Select Vedana and then click Apply. Once you are done, click Publish. Visit site. I can see the changes take effect. See you in the next video.